So our next question is question number 8. A comparison. Compare decision trees, random forest and boosting, and highlight strength and weakness of each. So first we start with the decision tree. तो उसकी strength देखते हैं. First is interpretable, easy to visualize. Second, handles numeric and categorical features, little data prep. And weakness क्या है? Prone to overfitting, high variance आ सकता है उसके अंदर, और अनस्टेबल हो सकता है क्योंकि स्मॉल डेटा चेंज कैन चेंज ट्री, और ग्रीडी स्प्लिटिंग में मिस ग्लोबल ऑप्टिमम. नेक्स्ट, रैंडम फॉरेस्ट, एंसेंबल ऑफ ट्रीज वाया बैगिंग. सो उसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? रिड्यूसेस वेरिएंस, रोबस्ट and often good out of the box accuracy, and handles high dimensional data, less prone to overfitting, provide feature important estimates. Weaknesses क्या है इसमें? less interpretable than single tree, and larger memory and time for many trees, can be biased or categorical variable with many levels. And next is less interpretable, partial dependence or shape, shape used for explanation. Next is boosting. Example, AdaBoost, gradient boosting and XGBoost. Strength जो है इसकी, builds strong predictive models by sequentially correcting errors and often state of the art for tabular data. Next, can handle complex relationship, feature interactions. And weaknesses जो है, first weakness is more sensitive to hyperparameters and risk of overfitting if not regularized. Next, slower to train, sequential, or more complex to tune. Next is less interpretable and partial dependence or shape used for explanation. So next question is question number 8b. Explain the architecture and components of Hadoop, HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, or describe Spark and its advantage over MapReduce. तो दोनों में से कोई एक क्वेश्चन है, तो हमने सेकेंड वाला किया है, तो उसका आंसर है अपाश स्पार्क ओवरव्यू. तो हम देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटा प्रोसेसिंग इंजन इन मेमोरी कंप्यूटेशन, सपोर्ट्स बैच, स्ट्रीमिंग, एसक्यूएल, एमएल. मेन एब्स्ट्रैक्शन क्या है? आरडीडी, रेजिलेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटा. हायर लेवल एपीआईज क्या है? डेटा फ्रेम एंड डेटा सेट. कोर कंपोनेंट्स, ड्राइवर, एप्लीकेशन कोऑर्डिनेटर रनिंग मेन फंक्शन and creating RDT's data frame. And executors, worker processes performing tasks and storing data. Cluster manager, example Yarn, Mesos and Spark. Standalone manager allocates resources. Libraries, Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, PL, MLlib machine learning के लिए, GraphX graph processing. Next, advantages over MapReduce. In memory computation, Spark keeps intermediate data in memory and much faster for iterative algorithm ML than MapReduce, which writes to disk between each job. Rich APIs, data frame, dataset. APIs make complex operation and optimization easier. Interactive shell support. Unified engine supports batch, streaming, SQL, ML in same framework. Better performance, lower latency and fewer disk I/O operations. Optimized execution. Catalyst optimizer for SQL, data frame queries. Tungsten for memory and layout optimization. When MapReduce is still useful for every large, simple batch jobs on disk when memory resources limited, but Spark is generally preferred for modern use.